How to add Twitch link to Instagram bio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add Twitch link to Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Twitch. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you're on your Twitch, go to your homepage on the bottom left and there you will see edit stream info. Tap on edit stream info and you should be on this page right here where you can scroll down and there you'll find an option that says share link to channel. Tap on the share button right, and after you tap on share you can then copy the link to your Twitch account. After you tap on copy, you can now head over to your Instagram, and on your Instagram you can go to your profile on the bottom right. After you're on your profile on the bottom right, all you have to do is tap on edit profile, and after you tap on edit profile, there you'll see an option that says links. Tap on add links, and there you'll see an option that says add external link. Tap on that and now paste the link. Now you can simply type in the title, that is Twitch, and then tap on done on the top right. Now you're basically good to go. Now it can take some time, wait, and then go back to your profile. You can reload your profile and there you will see an add clickable link on your Instagram, and that's how you add Twitch link to Insta bio. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.